Good morning. So today here we want to show you how to connect different EV chargers adapters where you have different charger ports now. So this is our EV now. We have GPT port now. So on my we have two different adapters here. We have one CCS GPT to CCS port, and we also have another one to GPT to NAC. Yeah. So now I want to show you. So to connect our charger, to connect the GPT charger to NAC. This one is converted from GPT to NAC now. So just for you, this can you move it? There's a dot here. You have to put that in. So there's a connection here that shows that this adapter is connected to this GPT which from the charger. And there's also a contactor, a sound from the contactor sound, which shows that this adapter is connected to the charger port. So that's how we also have another adapter here. So now we want to connect the other adapter, GPT to CCS, this CCS and this GPT. So there's the LED indicator that you see that this adapter is connected to our charger. So that's it. So we have different EV charger ports. You can use the adapter to connect to your vehicle. Thank you.